The Sutra of Ksitigarbha Bodhisattva's Original Vow. Chapter 4. Karmic Retributions of Beings of Jambudvipa. At that time, Earth-Store Bodhisattva said to the Buddha, "World-honored one, because I receive the awesome spiritual strength of the Buddha, thus come one, I am able to divide my body and rescue beings who are undergoing karmic retributions everywhere in billions of worlds. If it were not for the great compassionate strength of the thus come one, I would be unable to perform such changes and transformations. Now the world-honored one has entrusted me with rescuing and liberating beings in the 6 paths until Ajita becomes a Buddha. I accept the entrustment, world-honored one. Please have no further concern." Then the Buddha told Earth-Store Bodhisattva, "Beings who have not yet obtained liberation have unfixed natures and consciousnesses. Their bad habits reap karma. Their good habits bring rewards. Reacting to situations by doing good or evil acts causes them to turn in the 5 paths without a moment's rest. Throughout eons as numerous as motes of dust, they remain confused, deluded, obstructed, and afflicted by difficulties. They are like fish swimming through waters laced with nets. They may slip through and keep their freedom temporarily, but sooner or later they will be caught. I am concerned about such beings. But since you keep making extensive vows repeatedly through successive eons to take such offenders across, what further worries need I have?" After that was said, a Bodhisattva Mahasattva in the assembly, named Samadhi Self-Mastery King, said to the Buddha, "World-honored one, what vows has Earth-Store Bodhisattva made during so many successive eons that he now receives the world-honored one's special praise? We hope the world-honored one will tell us about that." Then the world-honored one said to Samadhi Self-Mastery King, listen attentively, and reflect well on the examples I am about to give you. One time, limitless asamkheyas of nayutas of inexpressible eons ago, a Buddha named all-knowledge accomplished thus come one worthy of offerings, one of proper and pervasive knowledge, one perfect in clarity and conduct, well gone one, unsurpassed knight who understands the world, taming and subduing hero, teacher of gods and humans, Buddha, world-honored one, appeared in the world.